Are you relying on referrals to grow your agency and secretly terrified about what happens if they dry up? Do you find yourself stuck in a feast or famine cycle, busy one month and scrambling the next? Or maybe you've realized that you don't actually have a business development process, just a few random efforts here and there. Hi there, I'm Leanne, digital marketing agency specialist here at Globatal, coming to you from Queensland, Australia. Welcome to all our new viewers and welcome back to all of our regulars. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Now let's be honest, most agency owners don't start their business because they love sales. Some do, but they most likely started because they love marketing and helping other businesses grow. But without a solid business development plan for your own agency, your growth will always feel chaotic and unpredictable. In today's video, I'm going to break down exactly why so many agencies struggle with business development, and more importantly, how to fix it. You'll learn how to avoid the referral trap, escape the feast or famine cycle, and create a system for growth that doesn't require you to hire a full-time business development manager. So if you want to stop relying on luck and start building a predictable, reliable way to bring in new clients, let's dive in. The referral trap. A lot of agencies lean heavily on referrals for growth. And at first it feels like a dream. You do great work and a happy client tells someone else, and suddenly you've landed a new project without even lifting a finger. But there's a catch. Referrals are unpredictable. You can't control when they come in, and worse, you can't scale them. If your only growth is wait for somebody to recommend us, you're setting yourself up for dry spells and those dreaded feast or famine cycles. Rather, build a repeatable lead generation process that doesn't depend on luck. This could be as simple as developing a consistent outreach system on LinkedIn, publishing regular thought leadership content that positions you as an expert, or forming partnerships with other providers who serve the same clients you want. Referrals can and should be part of your business development strategy, but they can't be the whole thing. The feast or famine cycle. Let's say you land 3 big projects in 1 month, suddenly your entire team is flat out delivering and business development gets pushed to the back burner because you're too busy. Then those projects wrap up, and when you finally look at your pipeline, it's completely empty. Sound familiar? This cycle is one of the most common killers of agency growth, and yet most agency owners don't even realize they're in it until panic sets in. The solution is to systematize business development so it doesn't only happen when you have time. For example, set a non-negotiable rule where 30 minutes a day, every day, is reserved for business development, no matter how busy you are. That time can be used to send connection requests, follow up with warm leads, or run a small-scale outreach campaign. Even better, you can delegate parts of this process. Prospecting can be outsourced, and by leveraging a white label partner to handle delivery like us at Globatal, you can free up your time to keep your pipeline healthy while still maintaining service quality. No business development process. Most agencies don't actually have a business development process. Many do it ad hoc. A random coffee chat here, a quick sales push when cash flow gets tight, or maybe a post on LinkedIn when they remember. That kind of approach might bring in the occasional client, but it doesn't build a sustainable growth engine. Now compare that to an agency that has a proper process in place. They know exactly how many discovery calls they want each month, and they track their pipeline as closely as they track their campaign KPIs. They also have a structured follow-up system for every lead, rather than just sending one email and hoping for the best. This kind of process-driven approach turns business development from something reactive into something proactive. And it's what separates agencies that struggle from those that scale consistently. How to fix it step by step. So how do you actually fix your business development struggles? It starts with diversifying your lead sources. Referrals are fantastic, but you also need outbound strategies, strategic partnerships, and content marketing to create a healthy mix. Next, block out time for business development and treat it as a non-negotiable. Consistency is more important than intensity here. I also definitely recommend that you create a repeatable process. Track your pipeline, develop follow-up sequences, and build templated pitches that you can scale without reinventing your system every time. Why not also leverage support wherever possible? That might mean outsourcing some of your deliverables to a trusted partner, like our white label team at Globatal, or automating part of your outreach process so you stay focused on high-value activities. If there's one thing I want you to take away from this video, it's that business development doesn't have to be stressful, unpredictable, or something you only get to when you have time. When you put systems in place, diversify how you generate leads, and free yourself up to actually focus on growth, your agency stops running on chance and starts running on consistency. And that's exactly where Globital can help. By white labeling your deliverables through our team, you'll be able to step back from the day-to-day grind of campaign execution and finally dedicate time to building the kind of business development process we've been talking about today. So if you're ready to scale your agency, avoid the feast or famine cycle, and build a predictable growth engine without burning yourself out, book a call with us today. The link's in the description below. Let's explore how a white label partnership could give you the space you need to grow your agency.